Hello, my name is Joseph Kirksey,
My name is Siddhant Dekka,
and we're here today to present you with an air ventilation system.
and the problem this air ventilation system will be solving is generally in bathrooms that use natural air ventilation systems. Those systems are usually not efficient or sufficient enough to provide the desired temperature control the user may want. So our air ventilation system seeks to solve that problem. It makes use of two fans, a display to show the current temperature, and a keypad for user to enter a desired temperature, so the temperature regulation done by those two fans is more customized to the user.
So now we'll be showing you how to use the system. So this is the keypad that you'll be using to enter in your desired temperature. This is the LCD display that you'll be using to see what the current temperature is and what you entered from the keypad. And this is the temperature sensor to read the temperature in the room to display onto the display, LCD display. And the fans are for regulating the temperature in the room. Now we will be demonstrating how the system works. So currently the temperature is 47 degrees Celsius, roughly. And we'll be entering a temperature that's below that of the current temperature in the keypad. So let's pick, I'd say about 30. And then enter. And as you can see, the fans have now started up. And slowly, you can see the temperature decreasing.
And another thing we can demonstrate to you is that the fans will continue to stay on even if you press something that's not a number, let's say A. It'll simply tell you can only enter numbers, but the threshold voltage you entered, that itself will not change.
Now, let's say you also, after this goes down to 30 degrees and it reaches it, you would like to set a different threshold. For example, 20, which we'll be showing in a moment once this gets down to the, once it gets down to that temperature. That is slowly decreasing. I'll be speeding through this footage. As you can see, the temperature now has gone below the threshold, and let's say you would like to change your temperature to get it even lower. So the fans have stopped, and we're now going to input a new threshold, let's say 25. And then as you can see, the fans start back up, and it's now trying to get you down to that sweet temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. But let's say you wanted to change and set the temperature for something that's higher than the current temperature, and you wanted to set it back at 35. So we're going to enter that into the keypad, and the fans will then turn off because it is above the current temperature, and then it's going to wait until the temperature rises to that threshold again.
Yeah. And our system does not increase the temperature of the bathroom itself, because the bathroom naturally has its temperature levels increase through use whenever people take hot showers.